So here's Rocket Money app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get or tap Cloud icon if you already were installing it. This is a top finance app right now. As you can see, it's climbing pretty high. Um, Organize and optimize all of your finances, cancel unused subscriptions just with a tap. You can help you out with lowering your existing bills, track and see your net worth, see your monthly expenses. So yeah, because I think Mint app closed down. Like Mint app was one of the most popular finances tracker apps. It's closed down. So yeah. Then people are just looking for alternatives, and this app is one of the alternatives. So you can just lower your bills and let Rocket Money negotiate on your behalf, keep track of your monthly bills, and to avoid overdrafts. All in one finance app, manage your subscriptions. So from here, you can see which subscriptions you have and see some suggestions. So yeah, formerly this app was called Truebill. Now you can just create your account, cancel. So you can just see here and then just you can just add your name like that, for example. Then you can just add your email address. So yeah, that's how you start with creating an account. And then if you already have an account, you can just log in. So yeah, that's how you